energy efficient unit will automatically reduce my bills.
If the home itself is not efficient, old leaking windows, drafty windows, items like that.
Insulation.
Insulation, that would be a good one too.
That's a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And you're just spending a lot of money on a great product, but you're not going to get quite the bang for your buck if everything else is counteracting that.
Very true.
To learn more, check out our other videos on our Vogel YouTube channel or call us directly at our office.
At 314-351-2533, schedule a service today.